Good evening, ma'am. How are you? I hope you are fine.
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fantastic, ma'am. So, how is going your life? Would you tell me something about yourself because you are meeting first time? So, please introduce yourself.
Yes, why not? My name is Kusum Gupta. I am from UP, district Siddharthnagar, and I am mother of one kid. I am a homemaker. I am a graduate of outside. If I talk about my hobby, so my hobby is play badminton, reading book, learning something as a new, and it was my childhood dream to speaking English. This is all about my
Okay.
introduction.
So, you studied in English medium or Hindi medium, ma'am? Where did you study?
Sir, I am a student of Hindi medium.
Hindi medium. Okay. And you are graduate. You have completed your graduation.
Yeah.
Okay. So, since when have you been practicing in English language? When did you start your English journey? Could you tell me something about your English journey? When did you start? And who
Okay, sir.
inspired you to learn English language?
Sir, if you don't mind, could you introduce yourself again? After that,
Okay,
we
let me
will
introduce
start
myself. Yeah, my name is
conversation.
Muhammad Aslam. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I live in Ranchi city. And if you talk about my profession, I am a graphic designer. I work in a private company as a graphic designer. And when it comes to my hobbies, I like to play cricket and football. So that's all about me, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, that's great.
Yeah. So could you tell me something about your English journey? When did you start your English journey, and why? Why did you start your English journey? Who inspired you that you should learn English language?
Okay, yeah, sir. I tell you to be honest. 2 years ago, I couldn't able to speak in a single line.
Okay.
Sir, I am doing practice since 3 months ago. I have been joined in this application 3 months ago, and 3 months ago, and I was practicing with my friend. I had two, three friend. Nowadays, I am not doing practice uh,
Okay.
on other application. I am doing practice in this group. And
Okay.
sir, it was my childhood dream to speaking English. But sir, the study time I couldn't able to study about English. So that's why I am fond of English, learning this language. So that's why.
Okay. So now you are speaking good. So how do you feel that when you speak in English language, that time, how do you feel?
Yeah, nowadays I am feel very well because nowadays I can speak not fluent, but I can speak little bit.
Okay. So are you taking any English class to learn English language, or just you practice yourself at your home? Are you taking any English class to learn English language?
No, nowadays I am not taking any kind of online offline class. But sir, 1 year ago I took online class, and
Okay.
but I didn't practice about spoken. Only I learned about grammar because I didn't know anything about grammar.
Okay.
But
So
now
when you joined, when you
well,
joined, when you joined English class, that time your teacher taught you only grammar.
yeah.
Okay. So you have improved your English spoken. Okay. So how do you practice? Like you use any other application to talk to anyone, or just you practice on yourself? How do you practice?
Okay, sir. If I talk about my practice, so nowadays I am using this application like Skype app, and sometimes I read book. I read book every day without missing in a day, and sometimes I watch a cartoon movie, uh, like very short movie, cartoon movie, because which is sentences very simple. So that time I understand very easily. And while doing anything in my kitchen, I do practice myself.
Okay. So when you watch any cartoon, movie, any serial, that time you understand each and everything, whatever you watch.
Yes, sir, I can understand all things.
And nowadays, what are you doing apart from like learning English? Are you doing something, or just you learning English language? Are you
No,
preparing for any exam or any interview?
no, sir. Just I am a homemaker and as well as mother of one kid. I am not doing. I am not able to doing any kind of job because I have 1 year old kid. But I will do job in my future time.
Okay, in future you want to get a job. So in which
Yeah.
sector? In which sector would you like to get a job? Suppose if you get a chance to get a job in any company, so in which sector would you like to get a job? Do you have any skill apart from degree? Do you have any skill? Like, do you have any knowledge, like technical knowledge, like computer,
Yeah, I learned. I know little bit about computer.
computer?
Yes.
Yeah, because if you have any skill as well as if you have a like good command at English language, definitely you will get a job in any company. Because
Yeah.
company hires those people who has like good knowledge about English knowledge and who has any skill. So company always hires those people.
Yes, sir. I am willing to earn money, but nowadays I don't understand how to earn money.
I was saying you that if you want to get job in any sector, any private company, you must have knowledge about skill. You should learn skill like computer skill. First of all, you have to complete your course, 6 month course, 1 year course. Definitely in future you will get a good job because you are learning English language. So after knowing this language, you will have a like knowledge about English. And if you learn like any skills like computer skills, so in future you will have two skills like computer and English. So definitely you will get a good job in any company. So you are
Yeah.
doing great job. You are doing great job because you are learning English language. So it's in today era you can say English is most important. You know,
Yes, sir.
degree is matter, but English is also matter.
Most important because sir, if you know how to can and how to speak English and you can understand English, so you can connect any person in the world and. You can get job anywhere because sir English is everywhere need like a school and job and interview office and if you want to go anywhere to traveling so there
Yeah.
also need it. And if you want to go to abroad so English is very important to go to abroad.
Yeah, it happens. When you speak in English language front of any people, then people give you respect. She is an educated girl. She is a educated person. If you speak in English language, so English is very important. If you go anywhere, then you need to speak in English language.
Yeah sir you can I think you can uh, if you have any kind of job knowledge and if you are earning good money so that time your respect is very high.
Yeah, because in our personal life, in our personal life, you can say our mother tongue is important, but in our professional life, English is important. You have to speak in English language. If you go to any office, any place, any like other place, any other state, then you need to speak in English language. That's why English is very important.
Yes,
So
yes sir.
before marriage, did you try to get any job in any company?
No sir because sir
You never tried.
I didn't try because sir my study time
Yeah.
I time I got married.
Okay, but now you are speaking good. Your English is good, so you should try to get a job because you have knowledge about computer and now you are learning English language, so you can crack interview. Because if you go any place, if you go any company, then examiner will ask you in English language. So I think so. Right now you are able to like crack interview. You are able to like speak English language. So I can say you should try to crack any interview.
Sir, I learned computer in my study time, but nowadays I forget little bit. So I have to I have to need learn a little bit about
Okay.
computer.
Do you have computer? Do you have computer?
I have laptop.
Okay, so you can learn from YouTube channel because there are many video available on YouTube channel, you know. Any like all video, you can say if you want to learn DCA course, then you can learn from YouTube because there are many video available related to DCA course, DTP course. And you know, I have seen nowadays many girl are learning graphic design course. I am also graphic designer, but girl also interested to learn graphic design course because if you learn graphic design course, you can earn money from home, you know. Just you need
Yeah.
one laptop to make design. So you can learn design, how to make design, you know, you can learn from YouTube channel. It's easy. It's easy.
Well, first of all, I uh, I will have to learn
Yeah,
how to make design.
yeah. Are you able to operate computer? Because you have done your computer course. So are you able to operate computer properly? Do you know how to operate computer?
Yes, sir. Nowadays, I forget little bit. First of all,
Okay.
I have to learn little bit.
So at this time you can start your journey, you know, you can start because you have laptop, you can learn everything from YouTube channel, you know, you have
Yes,
good chance, you have good opportunity, you know. So you should utilize your time to learn something in your life, you know, because
yes, sir.
you are doing great now, you are learning English language, so it's a good thing, you know. It's important in your future. Definitely English will help you to like get any job, to achieve something. But as well as if you learn any skills like computer skills, so it would be better for you in your life, you know.
Yes, yes, sir. I can understand your point.
Yeah. So how many hours do you practice, ma'am? How many hours do you practice every day?
Okay, sir. I tell you to be honest. I am mother of one kid and as well as a homemaker. Sir, I don't get so much time to practice. So, sir, whenever I get time, I do practice. My hours and my minutes is not take. I do practice according to my time. Mostly, I do practice in evening time. This time because
Okay, evening
I
time.
complete my all work. So that time, then I start to practice.
Okay. And in which subject have you completed your graduation? Arts. What's your stream? Arts, commerce, science. In which
No,
stream have you completed?
arts.
Arts. Okay. I have also completed my graduation in political science. After
Okay, yeah.
that, I did graphic design course. Yeah.
Okay. So, sir, I said, when did you start your YouTube journey?
My YouTube journey, 2 months ago, I started my YouTube journey, you know, and I created my YouTube channel where I upload English conversation video. 2 months ago,
Okay,
I
so
started. Yeah.
how many subscriber have you got?
Now I have 553 subscriber. You can say in
Oh,
2 and 3 months I have completed 500 subscriber.
oh, sir, that's
Actually,
great.
actually, what happens? I don't get more time to make video because I am also job holder. So I have to work 8 to 9 hours every day. You know, so I don't get more time. Only in the morning time, 1 hour I get, and evening time you can say night time I get 1 hour. So you can say I don't get more time to practice to make video. But I always try to upload new video, but I don't get more time. But whenever I get free time, then I try.
Yes, sir, I can understand.
Yeah.
You are not only YouTuber, but also a working person. So I can understand your
Actually, I am doing
problem.
two things. I am doing two things together. You know, first I work in a company and as well as I make video for my YouTube channel. So it's a very difficult. It's a very difficult to do two things together.
Yes, yes, sir. I got
Yeah.
it, your point.
Yeah. So I think so. You are first time. You are first time like having conversation on video call. Am I right?
No, sir. I'm doing practice daily. Sometimes video call, audio call. It's not first time.
Okay.